What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another little weekly recap video. This week was a little bit better than last week. I didn't blow up my account and have to make a video about that, which was good, but I really didn't want to make a video about that anyways. But let's see what I can do this week and turn this account around. So the first trade that I took this week was the 15-minute opening range break on the Dow. And I was wanting to see that if we could push through these 750s and make it up here to this pivot point in the 780s. We did sweep below the 600s, possibly trapping the shorts after we got back over the moving averages in the VWAP. And we did make a higher low. But the ES and the NASDAQ were starting to reject up there at the highs. And after the past few weeks that I had, seeing the Dow start to follow them, I wasn't going to let that trade go to red. I just had a feeling that it was going to pull all the way back to my stop and take me out and then go all the way up the 100 points that I wanted. So I just closed out the trade. And I came back later, and sure enough, that's exactly what had happened, or would have happened. I mean, yes, I could have left my stop down there, but I wasn't going to let the trade go to red at all, especially after it was up 50 points. So here on this second trade, I took a short on the micro NASDAQ, and the ES was already selling off pretty hard. I did wait for the 15-minute orb to set before I took a trade, but once it broke that, it flushed pretty hard. I did trail my stop, and I was hoping that it would have just kept flushing through down there past the pivot point into my take profit, but it kind of stalled out before then. But a good little short trade, can't complain.